ha ang gusto o ganahan express about
Eight.
so and every individual ay lahi gitag mga mental health status. So
9.
how to make our physical and mental health healthy and stable. So kana siya, we're not only teaching our learners about a certain academic or any other subjects, but
12.
we always guide and help our learners in all aspects of their development. And another one that makes us unique, the group identities. Asa man ta nabulong, di ba? So everyone, kita tanan, kailangan man gud ta mabilong, into a group. So same with those with special needs, kailangan na gyapon sila yung mga
16.
people, that surrounds them. Okay? Another one, the race, the culture. If there's a language, there's a culture, and culture is very important.
So, isini mo
So if you're
where
having learners with special,
number.
therefore hard of hearing, as in their own culture, and then identity. Okay, so you need to understand, further your learners, the understanding their culture. It's difficult to teach or to intervene, the behavior of our learners